So we're on page 2 of the final, and part of it is fractions. You remember simplifying fractions. So if you have a coefficient, you reduce it just like you do a normal fraction. So this one, 3 goes into both, so you take 3 out of both. And whenever you divide two things same base, you subtract the powers and keep it where the larger power was. So it'd be 10 minus 7 is x cubed. So you do this one right now. Okay, so anything divided by itself is 1, except, of course, 0. 30 minus 20 is 10, so you'd have y to the 10th on the bottom. 30 on the top, 4 on the bottom is the power you subtract, so it'd be z to the 26. So, simplifying, you factor if you can. So this, I'd factor out the GCF, which is 2x. So I'd have x plus 2. Then you cancel the like term, which in this case is x plus 2, so the answer is 2x. Now, I'm not going to go over factoring. You have to know that from the first semester. But this is difference of cubes. Remember, first, write it without the cubes. Then, square the first term, opposite sign. Product of the two, add the square. So here we go. First, write it without the cubes. Then, square the first term, opposite sign. Product of the two, add the square. Now this is the difference of squares, so it's x plus 1, x minus 1. Here, factor out the GCF, which is 4. So I can get rid of some things here. X minus 1's, bam! X plus 1's, bam! 4 goes into 16 4 times. And be careful you don't lose terms. So I'd have x squared plus x plus 1 all over 4. So do this, well, yeah, that was a product. Do this one for me right now and then turn me back on. So factor the trinomial, the factors of 2, factors of 5. So we're going to need to get 11, which would be 2 and 5, 1 and 1. So it'd be 2x, 1x. I want the 5 with the 2. This one's difference of squares, so it's 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. Here, factor out the 3. And this is difference of squares, so it's x plus 5, x minus 5. So let's see, 2x plus 1's bam, 2x minus 1's bam, x plus 5, bam. Now, I've told you several times that in upper level math, you may do all this factoring and only one set of terms cancel. It's kind of frustrating, actually. Dividing. Whenever you divide fractions, you take the reciprocal of the term after the division and multiply. So, reciprocate. Flip, flip. And then 3 goes into 6 2 times. Now this one. If it's vertical, you flip the denominator fraction, so it'd be x squared over y times y over x cubed. X squared goes into x squared cubed, you get x. The y's cancel, so it'd be 1 over x. Now we have adding fractions. You have to get an LCD, lowest common denominator. Now, in my class, it doesn't have to be the lowest one as long as you reduce it. So 18 would be the lowest common denominator. But if you use 36, I wouldn't mark it wrong. So I need to rewrite each fraction with 18 in the bottom. So multiply this by 2 to get 18. So I multiply this by 2. Multiply this by 3 to get 18, so I'm going to multiply this by 3. So I'd have 2x minus 3x is minus x. 12 minus a minus 6 would be 12 plus 6. Two negatives make a positive when they're in a row. So it'd be plus 18 all over 18. Now, you're going to want to cancel these two, but no, you cannot do that. It's got to be a product to be able to cancel it. Now, this is the one most people get wrong. The LCD is the highest power each unique item occurs, so it'd be x plus 2. Now, if you want to distribute that, that's okay. So this is missing x plus 2. This is missing x. So it'd be 4x plus 2 over x plus 2. Now you got to check. If I factor out a 2, it'd be 2x plus 1. Nothing cancels, so I'm done. So this one, factor, this is difference of squares. So the LCD would be x plus 2, x minus 2. Now I'm running out of room, so I'm going to skip a step here. Multiply the top and the bottom by x minus 2. This one already has the LCD, so you just bring that down. So it'd be 3x minus 2 over x plus 2, x minus 2. Now, if you want to FOIL this, that's okay, and change it to x squared minus 4, or if you just want to leave it in factored form, that's okay. So here, factor this up, it's x plus 1, x plus 1. Actually, I'm going to stop here. You do this problem, then I'll do it. Okay, so this would be x plus 5, x plus 1. So the LCD would be x plus 1 squared. Forgot the plus. And x plus 5. So this is missing x plus 5. Multiply the top. This is missing x plus 1. So 5x plus 5. So it'd be 9x plus 25 over x plus 1 squared. X plus 5. Yay! Have a good day.